What's up, world? Mia Santos here at She's Financially Free. In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how much money you need to start your Amazon business and where the heck you can find it if you don't have it. So stay tuned till the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit those notification bells for all your best Amazon FBA videos. All right, let's dive right into this. This is the main question that everybody wants to know. How much money do I need to get started? And I'm going to break the cost down for you right now. So if you want to look up over here, you can screenshot this, take notes, do whatever you need to do. These are the costs. This is how much you'll need. And in the later part of this video, I'll show you exactly where you can find it, even if you have zero money to start today. So let's break down the costs. First of all, you're going to need to start an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. Yes, you are going to become a business owner in this process. You are going to become a girl boss or a boss of some sort. You're going to be starting your LLC. So for the formation of that, the fees are going to be $249. In my full course, I break down exactly how you can get started with your LLC and a couple amazing hacks to save you some tax money at the end of the year. So go ahead and click the button below if you're interested in purchasing the full course. But $249 you're going to need to set aside for your LLC formation. Then you're going to need to open your Amazon Seller Central account. This is going to cost you $39.99. This is a monthly fee. However, they do take it out of your profits. So after your first month, you will hardly even notice this fee. But when you're first getting started, you do need to put down the first $39.99. Then there are some essential softwares you're going to need to get started. I would not recommend cutting corners with the software. You need it to be the most successful seller you can be. So there are two essential softwares that you are going to need to be successful on Amazon. The first one is Viral Launch. This one is a monthly fee of $85. Now that is the fee if you use the discount link below. If you decide not to use the discount link below, it's going to cost you $99 per month. Viral Launch does offer a free 2-week trial, so go ahead and take advantage of that 2-week trial, and you will need the Pro Seller account when that 2-week trial is up, and you can save 15%, $14 every month by using my discount link below. So it's going to cost you $85, okay? Then you're going to need the Jungle Scout Extension Lite. We use this so much, it's definitely worth the money. It is a one-time fee for $99, okay? You don't have to pay every month, just a one-time fee, $99, but it is essential, and you can save 15% on this software as well below. All right, so after you've got your software, these are the softwares you're going to use for product research. After you've picked your product, you are going to need to invest into some inventory, into some units, okay? You need something to sell. So you are going to spend between $1,200 and $2,000 on your first round of inventory. I would recommend ordering anywhere from 100 to 300 units, whatever your budget allows for that first order. And then you also need to think about shipping, okay? If you're going to be shipping from overseas, it's going to be a little bit more than if you pick a supplier in the USA, but you need to set aside $1,200 to $2,000 for that first round of inventory plus shipping. Moving forward, after you've picked your product, you've ordered it, you're going to need to design your label and design a killer package, okay? I would not recommend trying to do this on your own. I would definitely invest into a professional designer to help you design your label for you, and this is going to cost you around $100 for the label and for your box package design. All right, so after you've got your label designed, you've got your inventory purchased, you're going to need to invest in product photography. And Amazon photos matter, okay? I'll say this again. Amazon photos matter. You do not want to try taking photos with your smartphone. You want to have really great product photography. So that is going to cost you around $100, okay? There's also a link below to save 15% on product photography with my go-to product photography studio, Seller Studios. And I also allotted $100 for miscellaneous fees. You never know what's going to come up, so set aside $100 so you're covered no matter what happens under miscellaneous fees, okay? So this brings you to a total of, drum roll please, $2,000 to $3,500 depending on the product that you pick, okay? So how much do you need to get started? You need $2,000 to $3,500 to get started with your first product and be successful. Do not think of this investment as a waste of money, okay? You are going to get a return on your investment. You're going to be able to pay this back within the first 2 months. If you follow my product research hacks, if you follow my formula for success that I lay out step by step in my full course, which is linked below, you will be able to pay back this investment within 2 months, okay? If you follow every step of my course, you cannot fail on Amazon. So don't think of it as just money going out the door. Think of it as the best investment of your life, an investment that's going to set you up to be your own boss, to start your own business, and really compared to most businesses, this is a pretty low overhead cost, okay? I used to have a yoga studio. It cost me $80,000 just to renovate the building. That was before anybody even walked in the door, okay? So $2,000 to $3,500 is a very low startup cost for starting your own business, and you are going to be paid back week after week, month after month, day after day on this investment once your product hits the Amazon marketplace. All right? So let me show you now exactly how you can find this money even if you have $0 to get started today. All right, future sellers. So there are 3 ways you can find this money even if you have 0 money to start, even if you have the worst credit in the world, okay? And the first way you can find this money is by starting a business, okay? In my full course, I show you exactly how to set up your LLC and start a business bank account. Once you have an established business, an established business bank account with a bank that you trust, you can take out a business bank loan, okay? Business bank loans, you'll be surprised at how much more you can get than you can with a personal loan. So option number 1 is to get a business bank loan after you have established your LLC and set up a business bank account. Option number 2 is put the damn thing on a credit card. Like I said, after the first month, you are going to be easily able to pay this back. You can pay it off in a monthly fee, okay? And you will be set. So don't feel like you're less of a person. Don't feel like, oh my God, I have to put on my credit card. No, think of it as the best investment that you will ever make. Swipe the dang card, put it on a credit card if that is an option for you, okay? And the third way, actually, I'm going to throw in a bonus 4th way today, but the third way you can get this money is through Alibaba financing, okay? 9 times out of 10, we're going to be sourcing our product from Alibaba. They have their own internal financing. It's just a simple application. You can fill it out at checkout and voila, you are approved for a certain amount of money. This will at least, the minimum I think amount you can get approved for is $500, so that knocks off at least $500 from your total, okay? And the 4th way that you can find this money is through peer-to-peer lending. And this is similar to getting a loan from a bank, except you're getting a loan from a person. A person that has money is willing to lend it to you for a certain interest rate. And the interest rate depends on your credit. So let me show you exactly my favorite 2 sites that you can use for peer-to-peer lending. So my top 2 peer-to-peer lending sites, P2P lending, if you want to Google it, are Kabbage and Prosper, okay? So you're going to go to your browser and you're going to open up Kabbage.com, Kabbage.com, and this is where small businesses like you, like me, get funded. When I was first starting my Amazon business, I had negative dollars in the bank, so I needed a way to find this money, and I used Kabbage, okay? It's a simple application. You can get your money within a couple days, and you will be ready to get started and ready to invest into your first product, okay? So Kabbage.com is number one, and if you don't get approved on Kabbage, try on Prosper, okay? Prosper, PROSPER.com. Over 900,000 people have been empowered with over $15 billion borrowed. You can get money right away, okay? So these two sites, Kabbage and Prosper, are the fourth way that you can find this money, and it just they'll pretty much loan money to anybody, no matter how bad your credit score is. It just your interest rate will be dependent upon your credit score. So there you have it, the exact cost that you're going to need to get started on Amazon, and 4 ways you can find the money no matter how much you have, no matter how bad your credit is. There is a way for you. So I hope that you take action now, because selling on Amazon will be the best investment that you have ever made. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Again, there's discount links for the software below. I'll link the peer-to-peer lending sites and everything that I can below in the description for you to be a successful seller. Thank you again for tuning in. Mia Santos signing out.